Good morning, guys! So it's our last full day here in Melbourne and we are checking out of our Airbnb and moving on to our last accommodation for the trip. And I'm really excited because we are staying in a 5-star hotel!
Called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta.
So we're finally here at the Intercontinental Melbourne Rialto and it's really amazing. This hotel was actually built in the 1890s, so the architecture is very unique. It's like a mix of neo-Gothic and contemporary. So it's really different from the hotels I've been to before. It has this old vibe but very modern at the same time. So it's really nice and I'll give you guys a quick tour.
Gotta do to stay winning. Fussing on fights will keep them trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. The same. Hey, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be.
Hi, welcome to my room. So we're staying at the Intercon Melbourne Rialto. So here we have our closet space, we have a vault, and all our essentials. Here we're storing our coats, iron, robes. I think there's an extra pillow. And then this is our full body mirror in front of the bathroom door. Then this is our beautiful bathroom, spotless.
Say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed.
We have here the rain shower. Here we have the pantry area. So we have here complimentary coffee, tea, TWG, snacks, wine. The highlight is really our ref. Wow, that's a lot. Oh my god. A lot of liquor talaga. And then this one is for coffee. Our luggage is already here. We have the TV. And then look at this study area.
I love you better today than yesterday. Every day.
And then this is our bed.
It's gonna play out the same. La, da, da, da.
And bottle of wine. Wow, this is cute. Model kit. I will show you to our balcony. Oops. Nalock out. Fail. Ay, hindi ko pala. Look at this view! And then we have a dining set here.
I love you better today than yesterday. It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same.
We're here at our first stop for today. It's called Lune. So they're known for their croissants and I'm a big fan of croissants, so this was really a must on our list. And they said that this is even better than in Paris, and I've tasted croissants in Paris and they're really good. So let's see if it's true. There are 2 branches. There's one in the CBD and Fitzroy. So we decided to head to the original branch because this is where they make everything. And when we entered, it's a really huge warehouse where there's a lot of open space and you can see their staff really making the croissants from scratch. So it's a really nice place. We arrived here around 12 noon and they only had 2 croissant flavors left. I really wanted to try a lot of their different kinds of croissants, but they only had almond and original. So if you're planning to head here, make sure to come really early. They open as early as 7:30 a.m. until 3 p.m. only. Look at all those almonds.
Oh wow.
Wow, look at that. Is it? Super duper flaky. You can hear it. It's a lot of like powdered sugar and almonds.
It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same.
That's so good. It's so different. It's like really soft and melts in your mouth. And it's not too sweet. And the taste of almond is just... It doesn't taste like almond, like the ordinary almond croissant that I've tasted. It's really good.
Settling in, settling down.
This is the original. Look at that glaze. It's so shiny. I don't know what so.
Each of us moved on in the crown.
We just finished eating and that was really some good croissants. It's just really quite pricey. So the almond is 9.50 while the original is 5.90. So that's almost around 400 pesos for one croissant. But for me, it's worth trying out and it's really filling. It's actually too heavy for a dessert. So come by for a snack or brunch. It's also quite messy to eat. They only give you a knife and you're really just meant to eat it with your hands, which I think completes the entire croissant experience. I also suggest that you go to this branch because I think the line is not as long. I read reviews that if you go to the CBD, you can queue up for up to 1.5 hours. So go to this branch instead.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown.
We're here at the Club Lounge for complimentary afternoon tea. So this lounge is only accessible and exclusive to club room holders. We got some really delicious pastries, chocolate, and sandwiches. So I can't wait to eat. This is their afternoon tea set. There's salmon sandwiches, pastries, chocolate. Looks really good. I'm going to try the salmon. I love salmon, guys. That's good.
Every day is gonna play out the
At
same.
the Club Lounge, you can also have complimentary cocktails from a certain time period and mocktails if you're not a fan of alcoholic
Gonna
drinks.
play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed. Because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far. So far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be
We're here at our next stop. This is the National Gallery of Victoria. So we came just in time because it started to rain. The weather's quite bipolar here. Like who?
settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the play out the same, the same. Ay, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing is.
This is one of the free things you can do here in Melbourne. They have a lot of different exhibitions, a lot of cool things that you can see. So you can drop by a few times.
Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean.
So we're back here at the club lounge for some drinks and some snacks. So we have here different japkas.
You're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far. So far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be us.
Good morning, guys! It's our last day here in Melbourne, so I'm quite sad to be leaving but also excited to head home. So our flight is later around late afternoon, and first we're going to have breakfast here in Intercon. So I'm quite excited because it's a buffet breakfast.
Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep them trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same, the same. Ay, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far. So far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. Do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fights and the fights will keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. And every day it's gonna play out the same, the same. Gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. And every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. La, da, 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 da.
So we did some last minute window shopping and grabbed some pies before our flight. So we ate in Princess Pie, one of the popular pie shops here in the CBD, and it's a really quaint shop. And I ordered cheesy cauliflower pie, Martin ordered lamb truffle, and it was pretty good. We're here at Chemist Warehouse. It's like a super duper discounted pharmacy slash drugstore, and everything is on sale. Crazy.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love.
Martin's tita shopping. Guys, ito na. Mag-hoard na ako at magbebenta sa Manila.
A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah.
Before I end the vlog, I just wanted to share 3 tips in planning your trip here in Melbourne. First, for your travel essentials, make sure to book a pocket Wi-Fi. So I booked one prior to coming here through Travel Connect, so this is essential in getting around. Second one is something that's quite obvious but something that you might forget, so it's a travel adapter, and bringing one can save you at least 10 AUD. My second tip is for transportation. So within the CBD, you can take the free tram. If you're going outside the CBD, you have an option to take Uber, and you can also take the public transport. So sometimes taking Uber is cheaper, but if you have a lot of destinations in mind, you can buy a Mickey card. So it's a reloadable transpo card that you can use for the bus, train, and tram, and it will cap off at about $9 a day. So you can do a combination of all, and it will really save you a lot of money if you have a lot of stops. So my third tip is your budget for this trip. I get a lot of questions on my past travel vlogs on how much my trip cost. Travel for me is very personal and really depends on your preferences and what you want to do, what you want to see, who you're with. So I personally don't follow a strict budget when I travel because this is my time to really enjoy and relax and spend. There's nothing wrong with following a budget. So I choose what areas I want to spend on and to splurge on. So for example, for this trip, for my airfare, I only paid 14,000 pesos, and that's already with baggage. And I booked a promo flight on Cebu Pacific, and it's considered cheap compared to other airlines. I didn't mind traveling on a budget airline because the flight isn't that long and it's not my top priority. So Melbourne is a really expensive city, especially for me coming from the Philippines. So for shopping, I didn't really shop for myself at all. I only bought souvenirs for my friends and family. So the price of that would really depend on the taste of your friends or the people you will give gifts to. For food, I honestly did not calculate every single meal that we had. I would say that approximately for one meal, it would cost about 25 AUD. For coffee, about 5, and that's still without dessert, so it's really pretty expensive. I would suggest eating your breakfast at home or taking advantage of your free hotel breakfast in your accommodation so that you can save throughout the day. So if you're a foodie like me or you're here more for the food, then be prepared to spend. But if you're here more for the sites, activities, and the tours, then there's nothing wrong with following a tight budget. You can still definitely enjoy. So just a disclaimer, this is not a travel budget vlog for Melbourne. So will I come back to Melbourne? Definitely. The food is really amazing here. It's like heaven, and the sights and the sceneries are really beautiful. So hopefully I can visit Sydney next. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up below, and leave some love and comments. Till the next one, bye!
Today, it's gonna play out the same.